Welcome back, kitty cats. It is me, the Vegan Kitty, and I'm back with an unboxing. Today I will be doing unboxing. Today I will be doing an unboxing from Divine Supplies Inc. This is my very first time purchasing anything from this company, so I hope I'm pleased with what I get. Okay, so this is the best place to open it. And this is going to be a different show. This is unlike anything that I've done before. And I'll tell you why when I open up what I ordered. It smells so good. Okay, guys, this is a sage bundle. Now, I normally order white sage, but this is my first time ordering blue sage. Okay. Wow, it smells so good. It smells so different from the white sage. Let's see what it has. So I read the instructions to you guys, and let me see if they have some literature, because I know a lot of people don't get the whole smudging thing. You know, I've heard stories. Some people think it's demonic, and that's far from the truth, because you have some religions who pretty much does the same thing, but with oil. So both are natural elements. Oil comes from petroleum. Both comes from the earth. So the oil, I think, I think you have to have, what they do with the oil, it's like they kind of go through and, I guess, mark everything while saying a prayer. And I think you have to pinpoint what the object is, because it's a form of smudging as well. Now, they call it anointing with oil or whatever. What I like about the sage is, and smudging, because to me it's more logical in a sense. And what I mean by that is, because the object of when you're smudging, you're filling the room with smoke. And you have to close all the windows. You fill the room with smoke. You have to start from the back of the room, the back of the house, and work your way to the front of the house. And so you fill the air with smoke. And once you've done it, and as you're smudging, you say a prayer while walking through the house to eliminate all negative energy. Once you've done that, then you open the windows, and whatever's in your house, it goes out. The smoke's supposed to carry it out. That's perfect for smudging. There's no spookism behind it. Nothing of that nature, you know. So, okay, so let's read. It says, what is smudging? Smudging is a practice of spiritual cleansing with smoke, especially from sacred herbs. You can smudge a person, a place, a building, or an object. Smudge is both a noun and a verb. A bundle of herbs burned as incense is also called smudge. The term derives from sage, what I told you about. That's okay. The white sage is used for negative energy and clearing. That's what the white sage is used for. Benefits of blue sage. It says cleanse negative energy, similar to white sage. Blue sage also dispel negative energy in spaces, objects, and people. Okay, so do you need religion to smudge? The practice itself does not require any specific religious belief. Smudging is based on intentions. All you really need to believe is that you can cleanse yourself, your space, your possessions. Even skeptics have said many spiritual paths use incense to help draw one's thought to the divine. Most also holds common benefits of prayer, blessings, active hospitality. There is no conflict between smudging practices any world religion. However, if you have concerns, you can always speak with a leader within your faith. People also use smudging as a first step in setting sacred space. Smudging is a way to invite higher spiritual vibration into a space of healing and meditation. So before you begin, say a little prayer or invite your spirit guide or angels in. The Most High, the Creator, the universe, all different names, same person. So it recommends that you open all windows in the house. Well, I heard that you're supposed to open it afterwards to carry it out. So everybody does it differently. Okay. So let me give you an example. Okay, so with this sage bundle, you can either just light the bundle itself, or you could use an offering bowl. This is an offering bowl. And how you use the offering bowl, you can either, let me take some of this ribbon off. Take the ribbon off of here. There are a lot of people who smudge. And then there's a lot of people who's afraid of smudging. I don't know why, but everybody has their thing. Everybody beliefs are different, and I get it. But it's herbs. It's herbs. You cook with it. It's not bad when you cook with it, so why would it be bad when you burn it? Okay. Alright, so I've wasted it all. Okay, so it's really fine, I know that. Okay, let me get all of this off. I don't want to waste any of that. I like the smell of it, I must say. It has a really nice smell to it. Okay, so what I do is I light it. Oh, I'll let you see how it looks broken up in a bowl. Okay. So I'm gonna light it. Put my hand down before I burn my gloves. That'll be a hot mess. Smells so good. So that's what it does. You put the top on there, and you can go through the house and you can just cleanse the area. And then one thing I like to do when smudging, I like to clean my aura. Clean my aura. This is good when you come home from work. You can take off all that energy from work, everybody else's that you've come in contact with. You don't ever know what a person may be battling or going through. Because all that negative energy, it sticks to your aura. It's like a magnet. It draws things to you. So this is good, just to smudge the aura. Get all that negative energy off of you. Walk through the house, say a prayer, and smudge. Okay, that's one way. Now the other way, you can light the whole bundle. Smells so good. And one of the prayers I say is, I banish all negative influences from my home. And then again, you smudge yourself. Wash that day off of you. Go get in the shower, take a nice bath, and wash that day off of you. How you put this out, you have to, I guess it's similar to like if you were to put out a cigarette, or it's kind of hard to put it out, but you got to make sure it's out before it burn up some stuff. And if you can't get it doing this way, just throw a little bit of water on it. Okay, and that's what you do. So I have one spot on here that's not going out. So I have a little bit of water here. So a little bit on my cap. And so one thing that I do is you let it sit for a little bit, let it cool off. And once that's done, you, one way to store it, one thing that I do is white is the color of protection. So I take white cloth, any type of white material, and you wrap this in it. You wrap it in there and you keep it in white fabric, material, whatever. Wrap it in something white, and that'll keep it from, negative energy from getting to it. You want to protect that, So that's how you you keep it safe. This is how you protect your sage bundle. So yeah, wrap that in white material, any type of white fabric, as long as it's clean, and put it away. Never leave it sitting out and exposed as this all day long. You don't do that because it draws, it'll draw negative energy. So you want to protect that because you're using this to get rid of negative energy. So that's that. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you take something from it. I hope I shed light and clarity on those of you who don't understand what smudging is, or or just get it, So I hope you got something from it. Okay guys, until next time, this cat is out.